So viewers, we can think of cloud as a normal web server which has a URL for presentation and some storage, data storage abilities, some database or something, and other calculation power associated with it, which are maybe some high power computer or something. Uh, this is just like it just behaves like a normal web server for a normal user. But what cloud actually is, it is actually a concept in which is a concept of the shared use of the resources. For example, you pay for certain services or storage or any other applications that you need, and you pay more if you need more, you pay less if you need less, and if you want to stop the services or decrease the storage or anything, or if you want to completely stop using the cloud, you can stop paying. So this is how this cloud works. There are, for example, more than one companies that are or people who are using the same facilities from the server side, and they are kind of charged according to their usage of the resources. So what are the main contents of a cloud system? Actually, this is number one is the presentation. Presentation means that you have a web URL just like a normal website, and you go there and you can see and analyze the data and show it in different formats, or in different kind of forms, graphs, or analytical or tabular, or however you want it. Then the storage is also a very important part of a cloud system. This can include hard drive or any databases. This is kind of a storage, and for example, if you pay for a certain cloud, you get, for example, 2 or 3 gigabyte free storage. But if you want to increase the storage, or if you need more storage space for yourself, you can pay more and get more storage. Simply, there are certain apps that you can use for certain purposes for your job. For example, you can use online Word or online Paint or whatever in the simplest forms, or you can use certain apps which are used for certain calculations or anything else. And then you can use there are certain, for example, some graphical applications that are also shared and provided by the cloud, that you can use, for example, Google Graphs or something. And then you have certain other services that you can use from a cloud resource, uh, and it's actually different computers which are clustered together, and to provide you more computing power and more resources and storage and everything. So that's a simplest example of a cloud system. That's the simplest explanation of a cloud system, I would say. Um, uh, so in the least possible words, we can describe a cloud as a cluster of databases and CPUs which are used for more computing power. So this completes our basic discussion about the cloud, and now we'll talk a little bit more about the IoT gateway. Um, Now we talk about our second and very important part in the IoT ecosystem, that is the IoT gateway, or a smart IoT gateway. this smart IoT gateway or intelligent IoT gateway is